Alright, here's a clue. Given exactly one intercept. Normally, in a problem, you might actually have two. So let me give you a quick visual. Let's just say I have an equation here, and then here's your two x-intercepts, and they are equidistant from the axis of symmetry. But in this problem, it tells you it's exactly one x-intercept, and it's at 2, 0, and a y-intercept of 0, negative 12. So basically what that means is that because there's only one, I missed it. That's okay, just go back. You're going to have your x-intercept here actually is your vertex. So let's write that, vertex. Now you can do this problem in two ways. You can actually use the factored form, intercept form, which I told you guys, so let me go ahead and use that one. So my equation is y equals a times x minus r1, x minus r2. Let's tackle the easier ones. The y-intercept is not important. All you need to know is that it is a order pair. So your x value is going to be a 0, and your y value is going to be negative 12. So every x value I'm going to write 0. You're copying and following along. Okay, now, because this x-intercept, this actually represents both the R1 and R2 values. Another way to think about it is there's actually two comma zeros. Let me state that again. Because there is only exactly one x-intercept, they call this a double root, and if it's a double root, you actually have two x-intercepts that are basically the same. So we're going to call this your R1 value, and this one your R2 value. So let's put those in. So I'm going to put a 2 there, and a 2 here. And we're going to do the same thing as we've done before. We're just going to solve for a. So I have negative 12 equals a times 0 minus 2 is negative 2, and 0 minus 2 is, pay attention, this does not say negative 2 minus 2, this is negative 2 times negative 2, which is, so that's a times 4, positive 4, or 4a. I'm going to divide both sides by 4, and we get a to be negative 3. So we found the a value by using my clues, and the next thing we're just going to write an equation. So my equation, I'm going to use the same exact one, factored form. So my equation is here in factored form, so we're just going to write that again. So I have y equals a times x minus r1, x minus r2. In this problem, all I need is just the a's, r1s, and r2s. So our a1 value is, our a value is just negative 3. We said that your r1 value was 2. So I have x minus 2, x minus 2. And then because you have identical ones, you can write this as y equals negative 3, x minus 2 squared. And this would be our answer. A couple of notes on this problem. If you recognize that this was in vertex form, you can actually choose vertex form to solve that. And you would have gotten actually the same equation. You can actually see it. 2, 0. 2, 0 is your vertex. So this one I wanted to show you through factored or intercept form. And the reason why is because there's some other equations in here that you have to write just like that. Partner A, explain how to find your A value. Partner B, explain how to write your equation. Ready, set, go.
So, Amy and Brenda.